Marty, girl mom. Hank, boy dad. Blue, boy child. Sakura, girl child. I am in my friend's backyard. I'm taking a video of her dogs. I will tell you their names when they are alone. There's a small dog, which is the dad. He's a Chihuahua. There's the mom. There are the two medium-sized dogs. There's the girl. The boy's right here drinking some water. You want that water? He's scared. They are all grown up. Get it. Chihuahua, Chihuahua, Chihuahua. Hey. Ah. There's a mommy. There's the baby boy. Say hi. You want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, oh. You let me. Yeah. Brother and sister fighting. Or playing, either one. They're fighting. You think I should stop them? Yeah. Okay, there. We got that. Good dog.